New product launch, Phonefix multifunction transistor oscilloscope, DSO-TC4. One key quick switch function. Simply insert the components into the clamp. Click Auto to identify the parameters and names of components. Very simple operation. Switch oscilloscope function. Oscilloscope probe installation adapter. Plug into the oscilloscope channel interface. Oscilloscope ground clip grounding. The probe touches the object to be measured. Click the Auto button to get the waveform. A total of 13 waveforms are available. Can meet daily needs. Three parameters can be adjusted under square wave waveform. Precision voltage detection from 0 to 40 volts. In addition, there are many other functions in the toolbox. It also supports remote control infrared decoding.